So apparently, June 5th, 2021, a judge overturned California's 32-year ban on assault weapons. So you see, there are a few articles about the overturning of the assault weapon ban. But if you look at what happened on the 22nd, California's assault weapon ban repeal blocked by Ninth Circuit. And then, if you the Ninth Circuit, they blocked the repeal June 22nd. If we take a look at that, ban will remain in effect for the foreseeable future until a decision is issued in a related case. So the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals temporarily blocked a federal district court ruling that would have repealed California's assault weapon ban. So, Second Amendment advocates were obviously thrilled that they repealed it, but it looks like it went back into effect. In a Monday panel decision in Miller versus Bonta, the appellate court put the June 4 order from District Court Judge Roger Benitez on a hold as the court awaits the outcome of another case. Benitez had ruled that the ban violated the Second Amendment. I guess they're just waiting for the outcome of another case before they allow it to go in effect. The District Court's June 4th, 2021 order and judgment are stayed pending resolution of Rupp versus Bonta. The court said, the stay shall remain in effect until further order of this court. The Rupp case, which also deals with the assault weapon ban and has already been briefed before the Ninth Circuit, had also been put on hold as the court handles other Second Amendment cases that could affect it. So, Benitez's district court ruled the assault weapon ban to be unconstitutional, stating people have the right to possess modern weapons. Benitez likened the AR-15 rifle to a Swiss Army knife as being a perfect combination of home defense weapon and homeland defense equipment, in contrast to militaristic, extraordinary weapons like bazookas and machine guns. And Benitez also said under no level of heightened scrutiny can the law survive. While the court awaits a decision in the Rupp case, briefing in the Miller case is put on hold, although the Ninth Circuit did grant a request by the state of Arizona to file an amicus brief opposing California's motion to stay Benitez's ruling for the entire duration of the Miller appeal. So there you have it. Many are trying to get rid of the Second Amendment, but responsible citizens are saying the AR-15 is like the Swiss Army knife, perfect combination of home defense, which is necessary, and homeland defense equipment. Just what the Founding Fathers wanted. They wanted people to be able to protect themselves when necessary, when they are being harmed or attempting to be harmed by a criminal or criminals. And other people want them to be taken away from responsible Americans, which doesn't make sense. That's like saying we're going to take away fast cars from everybody because a few people drive recklessly. That would never happen, because it's not the vehicle that's doing it, it's the person that's doing it. You punish the person, you don't punish the entire population. That's what's going on here. And like he said, it's nothing extraordinary. It's not like a bazooka or grenades or anything like that. It just can shoot a lot more rounds at a more rapid pace. So we shall see what happens. I'm sure many people want this ban repealed, and most people think it does violate the Second Amendment. Hopefully they will do what's right and allow responsible citizens to have their freedoms without the threat or fear of breaking the law. Apparently in, I think it was Oakland, or somewhere in the Bay Area, they want to tax people on their weapons, which is also unconstitutional and will probably be also going to court if the legislation is passed, if it hasn't been passed already. But we shall see. What do you guys think? You guys happy that this ban may be repealed? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care.